Heather Couture, and I am showing you guys something really fun that I have put together and been working on this last week, and so I can't wait to show you guys. I think you're going to love it and kind of want to do something as well, hopefully. So first of all, I want to say that this little goodies bundle here that you see is from the Illustrated Faith shop. It is not paid, sponsored, nothing by them. This is just solely me, something that I did that I really am excited about, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So just wanted to be upfront with you now about that. This is just something sincere and genuine from my heart that I'm doing, and I hope you will enjoy me too. So just recently, Illustrated Faith had come out with this little bundle called Maker of Happy Hearts, and the whole bundle is designed by Elaine Davis. And so if you do not know who she is, I'm going to leave a link down below to her Instagram. I'm sure you do, but she manages the print and pray shop for Illustrated Faith, and just has this really beautiful style of bright pops of colors and all these fun elements that are really near and dear to my heart. I love color. So what I have got here is, this is from a printable set that goes along with this. That's in their print and pray shop, but that's not included in the bundle. You can actually buy, and this clip is just one that I have to keep it closed, but you can actually purchase the Maker of Happy Hearts bundle in the print or in the Illustrated Faith shop, and all the links to all this that I'm talking about is down below in the description. You can get it with the stamp set here by itself, I believe, or you can do it in the bundle, which is what I did. And so it comes with this little almost like a passport size notebook. This right here is not on the one you get. I added this as one of the printable stickers. It's just the grid without that, and then this little part at the top, and it says Happy Heart. And then the inside of the book is this same grid pattern, and all of the pages have a different color grid. The back has her name and Illustrated Faith, and then this is one of the printable stickers that I added to the back. So that's not on there either. But I love how it has the look of the little staple. It's like all the little details are so precious. But I love this little book. It's just a perfect little size. It also comes with one of these little stickers. And this is a pretty good size sticker. So if you know, this is a passport size book, and you can see the size of that sticker. So very cute. It goes along with the same design that she has of this little portrait of this adorable little girl. And so it matches that stamp, but I love that one. And then at the bottom it does say Worthy, and it is like an aqua teal color. I hope that's showing in the video, okay, with like these little red and white hearts. And then here is the stamp set. Of course, everything is in like the best details. You have this little coloring on the card that comes with it, artwork, so you could cut that out and use it in a Bible entry. And then on the back of the card, also this beautiful little doodling. And so I apologize, my stamps are all dirty and messy because I've been using them like crazy as I worked through my book, but they are so cute. I hope that you can still see them. This one is very hard to see, probably because of the black from where I stamped it, but it looks just like the sticker. And then you have love. You have this little flag, He First Loved Us, this little square with looks like a heart that's been cut out. And then the scissors with the same line. That would be really sweet to match that up. This one says Worthy. This one says Maker of Happy Hearts. And then, of course, you have two different styles of hearts with a little grouping. And then this one up here has like these little dots on it, kind of. So that is the little stamp set that comes with it. And then as I show you what I'm doing with my little notebook, I used the Maker of Happy Hearts printable set that's in the print and pray shop that they have, and this was some of the word fetty that was left over from it. So it's got all of these beautiful colors that coordinate, and lots of printables that you're going to see in here as I flip through it, and I'll kind of show you what my use is going to be for this notebook. So when I got the notebook, I could not decide, or the bundle, what did I want to do with it. I really wanted to do something special, and I had different ideas rolling through my head, but nothing stuck. You know, I just kept going back and forth and was praying about what should I do with it. And I am so happy with where God has led me with using this book. So I'm going to show you on this first little page what I have done. So, like I said, all of the elements that you see in here are all from the Print and Pray shop with just a few little other pieces of washi tape that I have, like this pink and white was from one of the Revival Camp kits. This black spotty dot and the thin black with the dots, or white with the black dots, are just washi's that I have had and found, you know, from the years. So, over here you have the little Maker of Happy Hearts printable. I wanted to have the title there as you flip it open with this beautiful little portrait over here of the woman. And then this little pencil actually is from a another set that they have. I'll link down below. It's a new set by Jill. That designs for them, and it is her mixtape. It's called Jill's Mixtape, the Elaine Davis edition. So it's all of her favorites that Elaine has done, and so that little pencil is actually from that set. So over here, here's what my prayer is for this little journal, and I'll read this to you real quick. It just says, Father, help me to rise and shine every day, knowing I am loved beyond comprehension. When in doubt, help me look to my Creator, who is maker of happy hearts. I want to use this journal to document my happies because I want to always remember your love. So that's what I'm doing with this. There are certain days that you go to bed and you think, wow, that was an amazing day. We had so much fun. Like, there's so many times that me and my husband will just look at each other and go, wow, that was such a fun day, or we enjoyed doing that together, or, you know, oh, it was so fun just to sit in the floor and play with our baby and spend that time together. Like, I don't know, sometimes it's the small, simple little things like that that really make the biggest mark on our heart. And so I just wanted to document, have a place to document those types of days, whether they're big days on vacations, whether they're holidays, maybe they're just, you know, as simple as playing in the floor with him. And so that's what this book is all about. It's not something that I'm going to fill up like that. It's something that I want to have, that when I have a day like that, I go print a picture or document that by journaling in here. And, you know, who knows, this may fill up quickly and it may take me months, but that's okay because I want it to be something that holds those most treasured moments in our life. And so that's what this is going to be for me. And so I've had all of that documented here. I like to start it off with a prayer, and then I'm going to do a quick flip through just showing you all of the different pages and the elements that I use. Some of the pages are kind of standalone, and then I'll have just like a 2-page spread that coordinates. And I love how I cut out and use the words love from the printable. All of the word Betty is just so cute, and so I have used so much of it, and then I even had some leftovers that you see right over there. So there's plenty to use with this kit. I've used lots of the stamps from the kit on all of the pages. I think some of my favorites are these little grid. It has a grid pattern on the background with the words and the rainbow letters, and these little, it looks like staples. It's just so so much detail that's so cute. And so I love the balloons. I had to have those on there. So cute. And so here is one of my first pages. So this is a picture that was taken back in January. So I went back and put the date it was taken. And this is just a little picture of my baby boy playing in the floor on his little play mat with his blocks. And the sun was coming in on him. And he just looked so precious that I had to snap a picture. And he's got this adorable little grin. I think it is anyways. And it just melts my heart. So I wanted to you know, put that moment because there are so many fun memories we have of playing in the floor together on his little play mat, and just seeing him learn and everything grow. So I wanted to have that documented somewhere, and so I just put the picture down. I printed this, and I wish I had the printer sitting here, but I don't. But I will link it down below. I also showed you how I was using these little printable pictures in another video recently that I can link down below that I did in a process video. But it is from the HP Sprocket printer. So just look down below in the description and I will have a link to the one that I have. And it prints out from my phone. I just send them to the app and it prints these out and on a little adhesive backing. So I just peel the back off and put it straight down, super easy. And that's what I did here. And then I just put a little caption and it says, "Baby boy is made in your perfect image. His smile brings so much joy to my life." And so that's the kind of things I'm going to be putting in here. If there's fun memories I've had, just simple little things. It doesn't even have to be a picture of someone. If there's just a beautiful sunset that you see that really speaks to you, it's something you could document in here. That's what this is about. And so flip over here, you have another one of these beautiful portraits, the little matching sunglasses. Love those sunglasses, so cute. And because I'm such a huge dog lover, I love that she included this little doggy with the little heart shades that says huggable. And so I'm thinking I'm probably going to have some picture of me and my son all loved up and hugging on each other, because that would just be too perfect, right? And then you flip over and you just keep seeing all of these beautiful elements. These little mirrors and frames that she has are so cute. And then over here, what I did was my stamping, I put it on cardstock and then put it down just to kind of make it pop up off of the grid. And then this little strips, she has a lot of strips of washi on one sheet that comes in that set, and so that's what I used there with those same frames. And so I like this. I woke up like this blessed. I think it would be so fun to have a picture of my little boy in his crib when he first wakes up, because I have a lot of really cute pictures like that. Here's one of my favorite spreads. I love the little sprinkles and the little cherry. They look like hearts, and it says handmade heart. And so I used the confetti washi down here. These little stickers are printed on the Avery clear sticker paper, or the, I call them sticker paper, but it's Avery full sheet labels that are clear. And sprinkle love like confetti. So you find a lot of the word confetti goes great exactly with the elements in the set. And then you have the little spread of the cherries. And then back here is the last page, and it has this printable that looks like the cover, and so that's what I put there with the little happy heart. I love these XOXO and happy. All the words that are in like a rainbow color is really cute. And then, as you can tell, I've added a little bit of washi of my own there. And so then the back, like I said, that's another one of the stickers that I printed. You do have lots of scriptures, and she even gives you like a little piece that has the scripture references. And so that's fun that you could take these elements and go into your Bible as well. But I wanted something fun to use this with in a way to document and have this to go back and look. And so I'll probably add like a cute little clip at the top with a ribbon or a bow or something just to kind of keep it closed, or to mark like, a place that's special to me. I do want to show you one little thing that I thought was really interesting. Right after I ordered this, I was out shopping one night with my husband and my little boy, and we were in TJ Maxx, and I love TJ Maxx, and I ran up on this little passport holder. It actually is a passport holder that was on clearance for like $2, I think. It was crazy, and it has these bright pops of pink and the florals, and so I thought it was really fun to hold this. It doesn't fit just perfect as far as the height goes, and when you put some stuff in it, it kind of thickens it up, but it still holds it great, and I just think that that is so cute to have it somewhere to hold it and keep it in place. Like I said, if you added a cute little clip at the top, it would be even more precious, and I just love that. I've heard some people having ideas of putting this sticker on the cover if you want, so you could do that too, but I just loved how this worked out, and I found it for such a good deal. I love a good clearance deal. So anyways, that is how I'm going to be working through the Maker of Happy Hearts bundle. I hope you guys will grab it. It is still available. And this little sticker that goes along with it, I just think is so cute. And the way she's designed it with the big messy hair, I love that. So let me know if you've grabbed it, what you are doing to work through it. I love seeing how everybody has different ideas and inspiration when it comes to using the same goodies. So that's always a lot of fun. Let me know in the comments if you have ideas for this too. But as I go through it, I will continue sharing, maybe more pages that I do on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me over there. I have a link down below to my Instagram. And then maybe once I'm done and have filled it up, I would love to go back and show you guys the whole thing with a flip through. But yeah, I really like being able to print my pictures like that and put them in here. That makes it easy. So stay tuned if you would like to see a flip through once I'm done, working through it. Let me know. I will see you guys again very soon later this week, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.